let's talk about Joule and AI and SAP's agents next.
So from my perspective, Joule has a little bit of path to cover, to be honest. There are a lot of use cases that we have seen in the past. Mindsprint is doing a lot of work on business AI as we speak. There are a lot of use cases that we are developing, and SAP is providing a lot of tools both for developers and consultants to, not just people who are doing end-to-end development, but also the consultants who are doing customization, configuration of the solution. So from a AI perspective, Joule perspective, if you use Joule for developers, for example, or Joule for consultants, SAP says a developer can save around a day and a half in a week by use of Joule. That is a lot of time saving, right? Which effectively means even if I were to assume 50% of that, right? Teams can save up to 10% FTE, which is full-time equivalent. So that's a lot of savings for organizations. So, it's just the usage of a small, Joule for developers tool that SAP has come up with. Having said that, a lot of organizations are already making big strides in AI, right? So, whether it is agentic AI, whether they're using machine learning, whether, what we used to call, data analytics, which is kind of being christened at deep learning now. So a lot of organizations are training their machine learnings, right? Machine learning algorithms, etc. You might have heard about Grok recently, right? Grok, how Indians trained Grok to talk in Hindi, right? So it was all over the place last weekend. So a lot of work is happening in AI, and SAP is obviously providing solutions and tools for its customers to use AI and SAP solutions, and it is only going to explode as we go further.
Personally, I'm excited about the next wave, which is something the CEO of NVIDIA talked about last month, which is agentic AI mixing with humanoid robots, right? Especially in the physical world, the physical automation combined with AI is going to revolutionize a lot of productivity in many, many occupations. Well, what else in AI?
So I think, in my opinion, there are a lot of work that the organizations are doing. A lot of the focus right now is on reducing costs, making things easier to do, time saving for users. We still have to see a lot of revolution on actual, as you said, on the manufacturing floors. There is some progress there, some robots, there are some agents working, but I think we are at the cusp of a revolution where it's just going to explode, is my opinion. So there is next 1 year, if we have this conversation a year later, the scene of AI will be completely different than what we know today.